Hello friends, I am Tijo here. I am a travel blogger. I came to one homestay in Mangalam. Mangalam is an offbeat destination. It's near Munnar, and there is a fantastic tree house kind of arrangement near the waterfall. And there is another house there. This is Valikens homestay. It's a wonderful property, and there is a swimming pool. This swimming pool is formed naturally by the water coming from the top of the mountain. This is a beautiful place with a fantastic viewpoint and a waterfall. You can come here and take bath. This is the place. This is a small homestay with a unique property. If you wish to come here, contact details are given below this video, and you can enjoy the stay here. The waterfall is so wonderful and beautiful. It's coming from the top of the hill.